What's up guys, it's Aspect Auto Detail again, back at again with another video. And today we are going to be doing a little review on these McKee's 37 products that I personally purchased with my own money. One of the products that I recently picked up is this Si02 McKee's 37 rinseless wash. This is just for more of like my weekly rinseless wash that I would do on the Tesla because it is just polluted with sap and tree drop that you can't control. So I'm gonna have to use this more because of California. We're getting to a drought season. It's gonna be very dry. Need something more economical. So we're gonna be doing this every week or every bi-weekly just to keep up with the maintenance, because if I don't, the sap will harden and it'll be harder to get off later. As you know, the Tesla is coated with R1 coatings. It is a local coating here in San Diego. I love them. I'm using the currently R1 Street on the Tesla Model 3. Not so much going to use the rinseless wash on the model or the M3. Really needed. It's just a garage clean. Today's focus video is going to be on this McKee's 37 Hydro Blue Si02 coating. This is a spray-on, rinse-off Si02 coating that should last up to around 6 months. I bought the kit off Amazon. I will leave the link in the description down below. Kit, you get the spray nozzle. It is I believe it is a Talco sprayer. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's a Talco sprayer. You get a McKee's 37 32-ounce bottle. You get the Funnel Master Pro for when you're doing your dilutions. It's nice that they send you a 32-ounce bottle. The only thing I wish it did have is the dilution chart on the side. And you get your product. This is a 6-ounce bottle. McKee's 37 recommends a 6:1 dilution ratio when using this stuff. So they give you 6 ounces, and for a 6:1 dilution ratio in their 32-ounce bottle, they recommend putting 5 ounces of this and then filling the rest with water. I'm going to be doing that today, and hopefully results will come up pretty well. The wheels on the M3 and the Model 3 are not coated, but the cars are coated with R1 coatings. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to dilute your bottle. So you get if you buy the kit that's linked in the description, you get this 6-ounce bottle. You're going to put 5 ounces of this into the bottle, like so. Pretty much going to use all of it. So about there. Spill a little bit on the side. Go ahead now and fill this up with water. So I went ahead and added about 30 ounces of water in there. So now we have the bottle diluted. Let's go check out the product. First, we're going to start off by washing the wheels, of course. As you can see, it's pretty flat. There's no coating or whatsoever. I'm doing the usual penis brake buster in my IK foamer, foam it down, and then go to work. This is brake buster straight up. Not that good at all. Chemical Guys honeydew snow foam in the bucket. I'm trying out this new method. Or I put some soap in the fill bucket. Some more lubrication. So I'm trying that out. I had some snow foam left over because I don't really like washing the car with snow foam anymore. Or at least the honeydew snow foam. It's not my favorite. It doesn't rinse off as easy as the PNS stuff. I think putting snow foam in the wheel bucket's kind of useless. No. I think it's not necessary, but added protection. So. Brush. see the wheels aren't really dirty. So you can do the whole clay bar and recon. It's a garage clean. It stays inside the garage. Rinse that off. Now I can see one thing I hate about this already. I can't find my tools. There's so much telling me about it. We're just trying out the methods. No, it's not good. Everything can change at a moment's notice. Probably get some of that Hyde's rust stopper stuff that everyone keeps talking about. So I brought you guys in a little closer. Let's see the water behavior of the wheels right now. You can see they're pretty flat. So again, this is the McKee's, sorry, not McKee's. McKee's 37 Hydro Blue, diluted 6:1. Let's go ahead and check this out. This is a new spray bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go ahead and rinse it down. The water beading is definitely there. Yeah, it definitely works. We'll see how long it lasts. Give you updates every month of how it goes. But for right now, it looks pretty good. Yeah, it's working pretty good. I like it. Let's go continue around the car and give you my final thoughts. Really like this new applicator. It's really ergonomic. This is just some PNS detail spray. Testing out these new IK sprayers. Overall, I think that McKee's 37 Hydro Blue made cleaning the wheels very easy. We'll see how long it holds up. But for now, I like how easy it was to blow dry wheels off, and as you can tell, these have a lot of spokes and a lot of intricate small places to water to go, so it helps a lot. And there you go. That is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, take it easy. Have a great day and keep it clean.